Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit videos with Capcut. Capcut is basically a free video editing software. There are pro versions, however you can also edit using the free version. When you first open Capcut, this is what you'll come to. In order for you to start editing, all you need to do is click up here on the top left to create project. And now you can see this is where you'll be editing your videos. In order for you to import your videos, simply click here on import. Once you have found the video that you would like to edit, simply drag it down to your timeline. Now that you've dragged it down, you can start editing your video however you would like. Capcut does give you a lot of different effects, and I would definitely recommend you go through the effects and see what you like, as depending on what video you're making, you will need to use different effects. You can see some are highlighted with the pro icon, which means you would need to have a pro account, but ones that do not have that pro icon means that you can use it for free. You can add music to your video using the audio, or simply go to import and import an MP3 file, and then you can just drag it down into your timeline. You can also add, for example, some sound effects that they have. You can add any text to your video, stickers, etc. And everything else there is here you can pretty much mess with. You can see here I can, for example, split my video. This is basically to make, like, for example, a cut here. I can then select on, let's say if I don't want any of these clips here, I can just simply delete it, and now I've only got the video running from here. I can shorten down the video. I can bring back what I did cut before, like that. Whenever you're done editing your video, all you need to do is click up here on the top right to export. You can then select where you'd like to export your video. You can choose the resolution. You can change the video export settings themselves. So for example, I can export it to higher than what the video was recorded in. I can change the bitrate, I can change the codec, etc. Once you're happy with all the settings, simply click on export, and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.